Papugomez has been banned for 2 years from football after testing positive for doping last November. The report says that Papugomez had taken a prohibited substance in November 2022, days before the beginning of the World Cup in Qatar. It went on to explain that the player wasn't feeling well one night and took a cough syrup from one of his children. He was tested before the World Cup and went on to play for Argentina, going on to win the whole tournament. He started against Saudi Arabia in the group stage and then against Australia in the round of 16. The 35-year-old is currently under contract with Serie A side Monza, and after only having played 2 matches, it seems that his time at the club could be over. Now, El Papu must decide if he will appeal the verdict to try and get the ban overturned or reduced. If not, we could be seeing the Argentine head into early retirement.